Your resume is not gonna reach the correct place if you don't know this. Yes, you heard that right. What if I told you that your resume is not being seen by a human first? It's being scanned by a cold, calculating algorithm. And 99% of people don't even realize it. You have been chasing the wrong advice the whole time. Let me break it down for you. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. It's not some magic resume fix. It's a software tool that company uses to scan, analyze, and rank resumes accordingly. Think of it like a digital gatekeeper. Your resume doesn't go straight to the recruiter's desk. It first passes through this system. ATS reads your contact info, work experience, skills, and structure. But here is the kicker. It cannot read images, complex tables, headers, and footers. And most job seekers don't even know this. They think that ATS just looks for keywords like Excel or leadership. But it's way smarter than that. Here is the big myth floating around the internet. People say just get an ATS resume and you will land a job in no time. But that's pure. The term ATS resume has become a buzzword and a marketing gimmick. Hundreds of freelancers and resume experts are selling cookie cutter templates and random keywords stuffing, claiming it to be ATS optimized. Well, that doesn't make your resume ATS friendly. It actually gets you flagged as spam because ATS doesn't care about keywords density. It cares about relevance and structure. Yet, this scam industry keeps growing and thousands fall into this trap every day. So, how does ATS really work? First, it parses your resume section by section. But here is the twist. If your resume used complex templates with tables, columns, or images and whatnot, those parts won't be read at all. Your important achievements vanish into thin air. Even worse, stuffing every keyword inside makes you look unnatural. The system flags you as spam, reducing your chances of ever reaching a human recruiter. It doesn't reward keyword stuffing, it penalizes it. And the worst part, nobody is telling you this. You have been using outdated resume hacks, trusting random ATS experts' advice, spending bands on overpriced ATS optimized resumes, while your dream job quietly disappears. But here is the power move. Create a resume that's clean, structured, and speaks the language both ATS and humans. I have created a step-by-step video that shows exactly how to craft a truly ATS-proof resume from scratch. Go watch the video right now. Link is in the bio because every minute you wait, your competition gets ahead. Don't fall for the fake ATS resume scams. Remember, your resume is not just a piece of paper. It's the key to beat the algorithm, or it's the reason you will ever get noticed. So watch the full video now.